Okay. Ask her a question.
Hey, Fatso? Can you teach me the ways of being a cat? No?
Fatso. Uh-oh. Hey. Hey.
He's got a camera, actually.
Fatso, how you doing? Oh, really? Good girl. Fatso. Hey. Hey, how you doing? Hey. Fatso, did you like the game? Oh. What did you think about it? Really? Who's your favorite character? Oh, me too.
Yeah.
What do you think about the graphics? Really? Yeah, I was kind of... Me too. They could have been better, couldn't they? Yeah, they could have been a lot better. What about the soundtrack? Hey, Fatso, did you like the soundtrack? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What about the story? Was the story good? Fatso, is the story good? Oh, okay.
Are these credits really, really long? Hey, Fatso? Are these long credits? Yeah. You think they're almost over? Hey, Fatso? Fatso? You think the credits are almost over?
Oh.
Oh.
Were you kind of disappointed that George Washington wasn't in it more? Yeah, me too. Do you like the older games better? Hey, Fatso. You like the older games better? Oh, okay. Who's your favorite? Which one's your favorite? Oh, that's good. Nikki's got more questions.
Oh, I think you were right. I think it's over.
Are you disappointed?
Holy cow.
I don't think Nikki's gonna get an achievement.
Everything is copyrighted here.
Can you copyright American history, Fatso? Hey, Fatso. Fatso. Can you copyright American history? Is that allowed? You gotta think about it. Fatso. Oh, you got an achievement.
You sat through the credits.
Fatso.
No good deed
Is that why
goes
she got the
unpunished.
achievement? Oh, okay. That's good. Do you get an achievement for sleeping?